Investing is the process of putting your hard-earned savings to work for you, allowing the growth to compound over time to produce a critical mass of capital or money. I think it was Albert Einstein who once said that compound growth is the eighth wonder of the world. He who understands it, earns it. He who doesn't, pays it. But like most things in life, there are good and bad ways to invest. When you invest through LEXO, you stand on the shoulder of giants. People who spent their entire working life researching and understanding why and how the stock market works. People who have won Nobel Prizes for the way the work has been done. At LEXO, we believe capitalism works. And by buying into the stock market, you buy a slice of some of the world's greatest companies and therefore are able to participate in the profits of these companies. In the long term, these companies rise in value due to the added value the profits generate. However, in the short term, the market is affected by news and political events that occur. We invest in the world's stock markets, choosing to accept the return of the market themselves rather than paying a city fund manager high fees to try and beat the market. Why? Because this is what the overwhelming research tells us that is right. When investing, diversification is your friend. What I mean by that is that when you buy more companies and spread your risk, you have a more enjoyable experience. At LEXO, your portfolio is likely to have in excess of 10,000 individual investments. This is probably more than 10 times you'll find elsewhere. We get our returns from the stock market, but the stock market has an unstable personality. Benjamin Graham, the teacher of the great investor Warren Buffett, referred to this personality as Mr. Market, hence the fluctuations in the market price. Now, if falls in the market scare or worry you, you really need to dilute this risk. Because this will happen, you will only achieve a successful investment experience by being invested. We reduce the risk within our portfolios by offering you a range of portfolios from full market exposure and hence higher risk to a portfolio with only 10% market exposure, which offers a much lower risk and more stable return. A successful investment experience is where the investor has time on their side. When investing, time is also your friend. This is why we won't allow investments for less than a 5-year term. When the market fluctuations occur, you need to ride this out. Take a look at our portfolios, decide for yourself which portfolio closely suits your risk tolerance.